In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up relationships between tables in Powerview. So if you want to set up relationships, what's important to understand that we can put in as many tables as we want in Powerpivot. It doesn't mean they're linked. So it doesn't mean to tell Excel how does table 1, 2, 3, and 4 actually talk to each other. And we want to go a step further to say that these tables, we also want to group them. So I've got 4 months in my sheet. So table 1 to 4 consists of 4 different months with different amounts. So these sheets all have accounts in column A or in the first column, and they're all unique. There's no duplications there, which is very important with Powerpivot. In table 5, if you can just wait for that to load, is my allocation sheet. So effectively my mapping sheet, which says these accounts should be mapped to these groups. So we want to use all of that and set up relationships. So if you go to Home in Powerview, you click on Diagram View. It shows you all your tables and the headings of those tables. Now our mapping sits in table 5, so I'm going to take that to the bottom. So we can see the mapping sheet almost as a table array if we want to compare it to VLOOKUP. So in a VLOOKUP, we would normally see this 4 tables as our data tables. So if we see what's the same on this, on all of them we've got accounts and descriptions, and on my table 5 I've also got accounts and descriptions. So that's my mapping table. So in a VLOOKUP, the best thing that would have been matched was the accounts. So let's do it. So I'm going to map this account to that account. So this is my mapping table. And that I'm going to do for all of them. So map that account to that account. That account. So I'm taking all my data tables, linking it to my table array. If you want to compare it to a VLOOKUP, it works better to get to something which we are used to. So this gives us a good indication of where's my table array, where's my tables, and where do I link it to. Now we can use this table as a source and link all of these amounts into this table. This will show in the next video how to do that. But it's important to understand relationships and understand how this relationships fits into Powerview. Without these relationships, you will not be able to do Powerpivot or set up a pivot table in the end.